right, guys, listen. What's your name?
Tate.
Tate. All right. Tate pulled up in this, and if this doesn't take the 40-year-old dudes back to high school, I don't know what will. The cool thing is, it is his high school daily driver. Stick car, letter cam, Flowmaster exhaust, 373s. Yeah, you want to open it up for us? We'll take a look. Oh, dude, this is so nice. Wow. Sounds, what, you got 210s in the trunk? 210s in the trunk, that's awesome, dude. Wow. And it's so, where did you find this car?
Chicago.
Chicago. Sorry, y'all probably can't hear him. That's awesome. How long have you driven it?
A few months.
Yeah. That's cool, man. What year is it?
90.
90? That's awesome. Will you start it for us?